Well, good morning, everybody. Jeff Slakey here on the Daybreak Show, and upcoming another great women's health event put on with Mason General Hospital and Family of Clinics, as well as the Karen Hilburn Breast and Cervical Cancer Fund. And more information right now as we've got three great guests in studio: Risa, Jennifer, and Karen. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks for being here with me. Karen, we were talking right before we started that we can't believe that it's 10 years now since the first time we started talking about these women health event at the hospital. And every year it's just grown in more and more size and more great information for the community. Can you believe it's been 10 years?
No, except when I look back and, look at when we started together and so much has changed. It's just, and it's more widespread in the community and more people know about it, which that's what the goal was.
It's really great. It's on the 26th from 8 to 1 at the hospital's main entrance. And you have a lot of the other thing that's changed over the years is all the great organizations that now come out and help with this. What are some of the big things that people are going to be able to see and be a part of?
So one of the new things for us this year is Walmart is coming and doing vision screening, electronic vision screening for us. Which
That's
is
huge.
And then we'll also have the fire department will be there. They came to our spring one, and they'll be right out in front with the kids. We've got, as far as the services, of course, blood sugar checks and blood pressure from within the hospital. Dietitians will be there for a nutritional consultation, along with TOPS, who will be there for their weight loss. And then mini massages. We've got a lot of great participants. Then Cielo and Amerigroup and Molina.
It's really turned into a one-stop kind of shop here for great health information. In addition, continuing on, the 3D mammogram screenings available to all women over 40. If you're uninsured or underinsured, there is still ways for you to get the free mammograms thanks to the support of the sponsors. And Karen, your cancer fund providing financial support for up to 50 mammograms for women who qualify. Risa and I were talking about how when this first started, there were people lined up before the event began to get involved in these mammograms, but now as healthcare has changed over the last 10 years, fortunately, for especially those who need to get the mammograms, it used to be the first 40 in, and it went fast. Now, because of better access to healthcare and things like that, the need is still there, obviously, but how fast they go is not as quick. People are able to make it through the day. They don't have to necessarily be there right away. Is that right?
Yes.
What else are folks going to be able to see and learn about? Risa, tell me a little bit more about some of the big things that folks are going to be able to do.
So they have mammograms and breast exams along with those. And then if they need to get other screenings done like pap smears, we have some income related things that we can do to help them get that through the breast and cervical health program.
One of the big things still too that has been showing up year after year is availability for health insurance signups, and we're getting close again to those types of programs opening up in November. Kids activities, because we know there's a lot of good health information that can be passed along to the kids. What are some of those types of things that the kids are able to do?
So we'll have coloring. We've got some games. We have face painting.
Fun.
Lots of prizes for kids. And then raffles as well for the adults and the kids both. A lot of our sponsors are bringing in all kinds of prizes to donate for the raffles.
When you go to masongeneral.com, you can do a search in the top bar there for Women's Health Event, and it shows right up. It's from 8 to 1 on the 26th, again, right at the main hospital entrance there, so you can see all sorts of things going on. The auxiliary gift shop will be open as well. Start maybe your holiday shopping. I know it's a great gift shop with a lot of great things. Included with Karen Hilburn's Cancer Fund, Washington Breast, Cervical, and Colon Health Program will be there, Northwest Resources, Molina Healthcare, South Puget Sound Intertribal Planning Agency, Mason Transit Authority, who does have that new zipper bus that gets you pretty darn close to the hospital, so you can be a part of this. Huge that Walmart's involved this year with the optical, Choice Regional Health Network, TOPS, CareNet Pregnancy Center, Consejo, NAMI, Turning Point, AmeriGroup, and Central Mason Fire. So it really is a great opportunity for those two, and I see two diabetes testings as well. That's something that's going to be available.
Yes, it will.
Karen, this turns out to be a great event
Oh,
every year.
Every time
Yes, it does.
you say another organization that's signed up for it, I'm just amazed. It's a wonderful thing for our community and for our hospital. I think our hospital has done such a wonderful job to reach out to the community for help.
And then quickly, while I just have you here, Denim and Diamonds next day. Is that right? The 27th?
Yes, it is.
You're all sold out. I mean, you sell
Yes.
out in minutes, basically. But
Yes.
just a reminder for those,
Yes.
another big event.
Well, thank you again to the community. Yes, we do sell out in just a very short time, and Alderbrook Resort is just, it's a wonderful place, and it's a fun place to have an auction. So, yes, it's the 27th at 4 o'clock, and, you know, this helps us pay for things for people
Yeah.
when they need help, and so we're just very grateful.
Well,
to-
y'all do a lot of great work in the community, and it's always fun to talk with you. The Women's Health event, Saturday the 26th, 8 to 1 at the main entrance at Mason General Hospital. Thanks for coming on.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jeff.